What is good, spectacular people? This is SFC Spectacular, your NCOIC for all things entertaining on this channel. Welcome back to G1 Bell, where today I am doing an unboxing of MP55 NightBird Shadow. As you can see in the box, it just came in the mail today. Got my FedEx packaging right here. You know, open it up. I'm gonna probably post some pictures on my Instagram. Hint, shout out, follow me there, whatever. All right, game is so spectacular. I'll probably put something on the screen. Anyway, let's get right into this. But I don't like to do just a regular unboxing. I never really just like unboxing stuff and just show you. So what I've decided to do in the last few videos I've done and I'm going to do in the future is open the box for record. This is for my record so I can see what's in, just in case any defects, blah, blah, blah. Plus I get to show you, and at the same time I get to talk to you about a topic. So today's topic I'm going to talk to you about why I go with Takara Tomy as my main Transformers. Like in my Masterpiece line, most of my Transformers are Takara Tomy. This is an official Takara Tomy. I got this straight from Japan. Paid a little bit more than I probably should have. I get all my Transformers on eBay too. Most of them. I used to get them on Amazon, but it was getting too difficult and they're not really, you know. So most of my Transformers are, I'm gonna talk to you while I open this up though. Most of my Transformers are Takara Tomy direct official or some type of knockoff. Like I have Soundwave, but he is by TF Sound. I forget how TF Sound Warehouse. I forget the name of the company, but he's not an official Takara piece, right? But he still looks like the official Takara. And also my Ultra Magnus, same company. I think it's Toy Funhouse Factory or something. I forget this, but that's what that is made by. And so the reason, before I do that though, shout out to Dare2727. If you're watching this, bro, you know I like your channel. But he gave me the idea to talk about this while I'm unboxing this. All right. I also got an unboxing coming for, I also got a video review and an unboxing for EX01 Plus Muka. So look out for that too. But it's nice, isn't it? She's nice. Now I didn't want her at first, but after seeing her, I got Muka, I got RC, and I've got Road Rage, and now Nightbird. So now I've got two females on each side. Autobot, two female Decepticons. So that's why I decided to get Nightbird to even things out for myself. I do not like all these accessories, so I'll go through that once I do a review of it. So this is just an unboxing. But the reason why I go with Takara Tomy is because A, they made the characters. They know their characters in and out, and they know what it should look like, at least in my eyes. B, to me, most of the times, their characters do, or their toy Masterpiece line does resemble the most, to me, the cartoon or the most accurate form of the robot. So to me, let me open this up first. So to me, Takara Tomy actually achieves that. Now, in rare cases, there are some, either Takara Tomy doesn't make the robot that I want, or they made a better version. So in that case, like, move this off to the side. Nice car. This is Agent Meister. I forget who does this also. See, that's why I don't get third party. I gotta remember all that. But this is Agent Meister Jazz, aka Jazz, right? Not Jazz. And he is very nice. He's even got all the details that you, man, this is outrageous when I saw this. So this is the only Jazz they make Masterpiece that I like, right? Third party. Also, this is my favorite third party, Crosscut or Herald by X-Transbots. Now, Dare27 was talking about X-Transbots a lot, and I'm not aware of all the rankings of third-party companies and all that. I just collect the bots, right? But he did teach me a lot in that video, and I learned a lot. I'm still not gonna get into all that, but it's nice to know. Look at how good that is. And this is better than the official Takara Tomy one to me. This is the case where I got one that I thought was better. And this is before they even came out with MP54 and MP53 mode. So this is better to me. And another third, these are the only three I have, and Reflector. This is called, oh God, I always forget the name of these guys, bad boys. But this is third party too. I'll probably put it up on the screen. So, but this is also a third party Reflector. But then other than that, no. I usually go with Takara Tomy because they know what they're doing. They know what to look for. I mean, they're official. I usually like the molds. So that's what most of my Transformer collection is. Oh man, if you could smell it. It smells like new classroom. It's like a classroom. You ever been to a classroom for the first time? Your first school year and you go in there? It's nice and tight though. That part on the RC is usually loose. Nice and tight. Oh, well, not tight. It's nice. I wish they put some headlights on her. They got a little light right there. She's nice. She is nice. No I mean, I've watched some reviews and they said they like the color scheme better than the RC. I like both, but I like RC better. I like RC because to me, this is just her. And I was saying to myself before they came out with this, wow, RC is an original mold. She's very few the Transformers that like original, you know what I mean? So she had her original mold until, here we go, NightBird. They got NightBird's insignia on there. I usually leave it out when I transform the robot. I won't transform anything right now. I have resolved how I'm going to transform my robots now. As you can see, I'm going to start transforming my robots in my reviews. I did 2 reviews, MP52 and MP52 Plus Thundercracker. So look out for those. They're on the page right now. I usually keep my boxes too. Oh wow, it's tied down. Look at that. The 2 Ninja Stars are like that. Yeah. So I got them. Got the loose stars out here. 2 Ninja Stars. These blast effects. I'm not a fan of blast effects. Matter of fact, I put RC's blast effects eBay where I sell some more other stuff. But these, I like these size. I really like those. I like those size. You get 2 of them. It's hard to see on this, I know, but this is what I'm using to start transforming. I'll use my light box for the review, and then I'll use one of my mats on my kitchen counter, which is granite, to do my reviews. I mean, to do the transformation process. Look at that. I like these. And this has prompted me, like I was meaning to do a video on Takara Tomies and how they decide their accessories in a video, how they pack and give you an accessory, what they give you, how they give it to you, all that stuff. I was gonna do that in a separate video. If you'd like to see that, let me know, maybe I'll do it. Here's her holster for her black pistol. I like this. I have this strange habit of keeping accessories with the robot, but I've been, trying to break that by giving other robot, trying not just giving robots to other people. No, I might try this on RC and see how it looks. I'm kind of a guy, I don't like these. Now, a lot of people said they have liked it. These comes with some mainline figures, sort of. I don't know what they Primus. I don't know. I don't know what these are called, but apparently they've come packaged with a previous mainline model of NightBird, and they changing the swords. Now, this is supposed to be a gun. She's supposed to hold it like that. That looks silly. I don't like that at all. Where's the shooting out? This part right here, a little nozzle. It's like a fuel nozzle, doesn't it? She's got 2 of those, which I probably will sell those. She's got her little gun just like RC. I like that. That is nice and black. You got the little detail, the yellow there. And you got an extra face for it. Oh no. So there she is. MP55 NightBird Shadow. Stay tuned for the review. I got other reviews planned I'm working on right now. Like I told you, Muka, I'll be reviewing her. Skywarp, I have him coming in soon. So if you liked all that stuff, I'm doing profiles, I'm doing unboxings, Transformer Toys topics, all that on this channel. But if you enjoyed this, hit the like button, share it with a friend, and most of all, check out some of these other videos that YouTube might recommend. Until next time, guys, if you can't be good at it. Peace.